It's Matt here, and today we're going to do HTML the basics, which is going to be a video about HTML, the core underlying thing that makes the internet work. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download Brackets. Now, Brackets is a free and open source HTML code editor, and it is my preferred choice, and it is backed by Adobe. Right there, and it's under the MIT license, so you can just download it right there. Okay, and when your bracket's downloaded, we're going to open it, and okay, so we're going to go ahead and make a new folder by clicking open folder. I'm going to put it on my desktop and click new folder, and I'm just going to name this HTML basics. Oh jeez, I just completely fudged that. Okay, HTML basics. Now create. I'm just gonna do that. Open. And now let's begin our code. We're gonna right click there, click on new file, and index.html. This is the file that is read by a web browser or something like that. Index.html. Now you can make other files with .html, but the one that's going to be read is index.html. So now we start out with this doc type HTML, and now right here we open up HTML and bring that down. Right here we're going to open up the head, and then just let that open. And now right here we're going to have the body, which right there. I hope if I can actually type here properly. So right here, the head is where all the information goes, like your title of your web page. So like this, I can name cheese. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to save that, and we can run it live right there. So right here, you'll see it is named cheese. So that's what the title thing does. Sorry, title bracket does. So how about we make some on-screen stuff? So yeah, on-screen stuff. Now, the biggest text you can make is the h1 tag, which is oftentimes what is used for headers. So in the h1 tag, we can write, I don't know, doodles. Doodles. So if we go ahead and run that, it should doodles. So yes, it's very uncomplicated. But we can do more than that. We can create buttons, per se. Button, hi, I'm a button. I just kind of screwed that up. There. And now, if you run that, you'll see there's a button. So, the button doesn't do anything. But, well, you can make it do things, actually. Of course you can, it's a button. So, the way we make things do things would be like to add stuff in this first little block right there. So once again, this is a few things you can do. There is H1 through 6, depending on the size you want, H1 being the biggest, H6 being the smallest. You can do P for paragraphs, you can do EM for italics, so if we were to do like P, and then hello, I am a, then EM, I am a, I don't know, word. Doesn't really matter what you put there. Go ahead and launch that. And you see, hello, I am a word, and word is in italics. So you can do that. There's a lot you can do with HTML. I'll probably get into it more in another video, but right now I'm just kind of going over the basics. So this says, yes, I'm an HTML document. this says, yes, I am doing stuff. And it starts there and ends there, as noted by the / before the end of this bracket. The head is where all the information goes, which you don't see. This is where you would put, per se, a font, other than the default, the title, some words, keywords that will help Google and other search engines recognize this webpage. This is where you put everything that isn't on the web page, but is needed to make a web page function. And the body tag is where all the stuff for the web page goes. This is where you design your website. And I'll just do this right now. I'm not going to do any CSS, which is what makes web pages look good. So this is what's read by the browser by default. Once again, remember, index.html is the default for an HTML document, and then main.css is the default for CSS. So that is it, guys. I'll be doing more soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe.